everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got the Arlo Pro 5 2K wire-free spotlight security camera. So this is an individual camera, so it's one included in the pack. These have a 160-degree wide-angle view, enhanced battery performance on their predecessors, color and night vision, and built-in spotlight. And so these record in 2K HDR video as well. And with the Arlo app, this gives you access to a bunch of cool things like one-click arming, a detailed event feed, it's got custom locations, various modes and shortcuts, and of course some automations as well, and the Arlo privacy commitment. So without the Arlo secure subscription, it gives you live video streaming and motion and sound alerts, so you can stream it anywhere through the Arlo app, and you can record to a local hard drive if you have a base station. With a subscription, you also get advanced object detection, activity zones, an animated preview, and online video history available through the app as well. That's separate from local video recording using a base station. According to the back of the box here, I'm expecting to have, obviously, the camera in the box, a rechargeable battery, a magnetic charging cable, a wall mount and screw kit, a quick start guide, and a video monitoring decal. So let's open this one up and see exactly what comes in the box with the Arlo Pro 5 2K individual cameras. So we've got a plastic seal across the top there, so we'll just open that one up, pull the box open. Right up the top there, we've got our camera poking through, and under that card we've got access to basically everything else. So we've got here our quick start guide and instructions. Then we've got obviously that camera there, which does look a lot like its predecessors. Next in the box, our battery. Our magnetic charging cable was down the side there as well. Our mounting screws and our screw-in wall mount. So this is not a magnetic mount, this screws into the back here. So we're screwing that onto our wall or wherever we're mounting this, and then screwing the camera onto it. And is there anything else in here? No, there is nothing else in there. So in the pack with our quick start guide, we have also got our Arlo Smart Security Protected sticker and our compliance and warranty information. So according to the quick start guide, it's pretty straightforward. We've got everything that came in the box. That's actually all there is to it. The guide literally just says download the app, tap add device, and follow the instructions to set up your camera. So important thing is going to be, how do we put the battery into the camera and make sure we're all set up and ready to start. We'll take off the plastic covers. Then we can actually release this by pushing this button on the bottom here, and that'll release the camera from the front of the casing. Slide that out, so that's our casing, so we can see inside it there. And our battery is then gonna lock into this space right here. So if we get out the battery, that then is going to slot straight into that space there, and we can then slide it back into the case and clip it in. And you might have seen there that blue LED flashing now, that tells us it's got power and that it is ready for setup. And we can see that blue lights come on, telling us we've got power, and now we can start the setup process of this camera. So that's it. That's everything that came in the box with the Arlo Pro 5 2K wire-free security camera. Camera itself, the rechargeable lithium battery, the wall mount and screws, the magnetic charging cable, the protected by Arlo Smart Security decal sticker, warranty and compliance information, and a quick start guide. Hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these ones, make sure you check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. And of course, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me, including my next video, which is going to be on how to actually set this one up with the Arlo app on your phone. That's it for now. Have an awesome one, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.